Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Bennie Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I'm back with another inspirational video, guys. It's been a long time since I did one of these videos, and I'm gonna hurry up before my battery dies on me. But I just want to show you guys how simple it is to trade Forex, and also show you guys that it does not take a lot of money to start trading Forex. Okay. This what I'm doing here on this small account is a small account. Okay. Um, I would say, start with $100 on this. Okay. And scale in with a 10-cent lot size. Okay. All right. And so what I'm showing you guys right now is via the Forex market. I'm trading the S&P 500 index. Okay. So, and what I've done was I've put in two 10-cent lot sized trades. And right now, my total profit, if you look up to the top, is $50.78 right now. Now I said 51. Now the market is going to fluctuate. It may drop down to 30 something. Okay. But based on how I'm trading this, based on my analysis, okay, this market is going to go up for a little bit, maybe not much longer, okay, but for a little more. Okay. So if you're an individual who you're looking for a way to sustain your household, okay, we're not even Forex is very powerful. Okay. So individuals, you can literally replace your Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, or whatever job it is that you're working. You can literally replace that with Forex. Okay. And this is just an example to those who you don't have a lot and you're looking for a way to make change in your life and the lives of those individuals that you're responsible for. Okay. Forex can do this for you. Now, in my humble opinion, stock market cannot do this for you. Not like this. And everything is exponential. Okay. If I was trading on my bigger account, then, I could have went in at $1 and, this could have been, a $500 profit easily. Okay. So keep that in mind. Everything is exponential, but I'm really for the individuals who don't have a lot. You don't have a lot to start with, and you know that you need to make a change. So I'm just showing you guys this. I'm gonna throughout the week, I'm gonna monitor this. I'll show you guys the end profits and everything. Okay. And follow me on my YouTube channel as well. All right, if you guys are interested in seeing higher profits and things of that nature, you can follow me on my YouTube channel. Just head over to the teachmetofishfx.com. Everything is linked from there. Okay, so you can check out some of my other videos where I make higher profits. Okay, but again, this video is for those individuals who you don't have a lot, but you need a big change. So can you imagine investing 20 cents, okay, and turning those 20 cents into now $55, okay? Can you imagine doing that? Can you imagine doing that? Can you do that on the stock market? Can you do that with penny stock? Can you do that with penny stock? You can't even do that with penny stock. I'm telling you guys, Forex is where it is. Forex is recession proof, okay? Now, I don't want to give you false hope. You will have losses when trading Forex, especially if you're just starting out, especially if you decide not to align yourself with a profitable mentor, someone who is educated, someone who is influenced, and someone who has been exposed to the Forex market. Okay. You can lessen your learning curve by aligning yourself with a profitable mentor. Okay. And I invite you to head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up. Very affordable mentorship programs, as I stated in my YouTube video earlier today. To be honest with you, I don't know how much longer I will be offering mentoring. All right. I enjoy it. However, at the same time, I'm profitable trading Forex, and I'm leaning more towards just sharing everything on on my YouTube channel. So, but yeah, so I really want to help people, and I want to see people successful, and I want to show you guys. This is why I'm showing you this small account. All right, I want to show you that you can profit. Okay, you can profit trading Forex. So it's Sunday. I'm here on the East Coast of the United States. The market opened up at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I usually see movement around 5:15, 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. So from Sunday 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time all the way to Friday 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can trade any stock indices, cryptocurrency, and Forex pairs. Okay. And then over the weekends, all right, cryptocurrency is open. Okay. So if you follow me on YouTube, you'll see oftentimes I'm trading Litecoin versus USD, Saturday and Sunday type deal, so guys, again, Forex is where it is. All right. These people telling you guys about the stock market, I'm not even gonna do that. That's just my opinion. All right. So now we're up to $68, $67 off of a 20-cent investment. I don't know any other market you can do that in. 20 cents. You can't do that with penny stock. You can't do it with the stock market. All right. But with Forex, you can. And again, all this is exponential. If you have more to put in to start with, then you put more in. All right. But always remember to practice proper account risk management. Don't go crazy. Don't go overboard. All right. The Lord should bless. You'll be here and the Forex market will be here, and you're going to make your money. All right. So again, guys, I just wanted to share this inspirational video. I hope it has inspired you. And again, I invite you to head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and connect with us. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter. We're all over the place. So, all right, guys, we'll see how far this goes. All right, we're at what the highest we were, $70.02. So again, I'm expecting for this market the S&P 500 to go up a little while longer. Okay. So all that is, guys, is I have a 500 pip trailing stop on this top one up here. Okay. And I have a 250 pip trailing stop on this bottom one. So, profits are already locked in, guys. So, but you see it right here. It's just going up from here. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here again, guys. Head over to the teachmetofishfx.com, sign up. I'll be happy to have you a part of the community, happy to mentor you, happy to show you how it does not take a lot to be profitable in trading Forex, and Forex can help sustain your house. All right, and this is just a tip of the iceberg when it comes to trading Forex. Again, you can become profitable to where you no longer have to work a regular job. All right, you can use Forex to fund your other visions, to help supplement and sustain your household while you're growing your other businesses, and all this is exponential. Okay, if you have $1,000 to put in, then again, it's all exponential. All right. But if you don't have a lot, I want to encourage you, take what you have and learn how to trade Forex. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. As I always say, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.